4 Secrets to Success. In the world we live in today, it is a known fact that nothing good comes easily. There is always a price for everything. From physically materialistic things to emotional things. There is always a price to pay. Be it money, time, or experience, one thing is sure. Nothing goes for nothing. Benjamin Disraeli once said that, "The secret to success is constancy of purpose." This is very true in all sense. But to attain complete success, just constancy will not suffice. Today I will explain the required 4 C's to attain groundbreaking success. Number 1. Curiosity. James Stevens once quoted that, "Curiosity will conquer fear even more than bravery will." The driving force behind successful people is the zeal to attain knowledge, and this zeal is driven by curiosity. Curiosity is like the engine that drives success to manifestation. It is a catalyst that charges great minds to victory of purpose. 2. Confidence. American author, disability rights advocate, political activist, and lecturer Helen Keller once said, "Optimism is the faith that leads to achievement. Nothing can be done without hope and confidence." By Joshua Freak on Unsplash. In this journey of life, confidence is as crucial as it is indispensable to achieving greatness. Humorist Mark Twain once quoted that all you need in this life is ignorance and confidence, and then success is sure. Funny as it may sound, there are no words truer. Without confidence, skepticism reigns supreme. Doubts are bound to creep in, especially when you are on the path to success, but it takes a confident mind to overcome all trials. Here is an abundance of people ready to tell you, you can't do it. It is up to you to motivate yourself and push harder. It may take a while, but believing in yourself should be paramount. According to Walt Disney, confidence is the greatest key to achieving success. 3. Courage. Courage can be defined as strength in the face of pain or grief. What does this mean? The path to success is rough and filled with setbacks. Courage is that driving force that pushes you up when the tides of life and setbacks kicks in. It is that never give up voice that hastens you to pick up the pieces and try again. Courage is a self-motivating force, always there to tell you to try harder. It is the enemy of cowardice and the enemy of failure. It is the voice that tells you to get it together. With each fall, courage stretches its ever-helpful hand to support you up. Be courageous. Number 4. Constancy. With courage comes constancy. This is the quality of being enduring and unchanging. It is that try-again factor that drove all the greatest minds to their success stories. It is that never-give-up mindset that produced the greatest inventions known to man. Inventors utilized this powerful force to create impossibilities. With consistency, impossible is inexistent. Constancy is fueled by courage and hard work. Guys, leave a like and comment. Thank you.